طيب. So you're not going to eat, you're not going to drink, and you're not going to have a relationship, marital relationship. From? Who said so? Why? Why? No, well, I like to eat from 6 to 5. Huh? So it's an ayah in the Quran, in Surah Al-Baqarah. That's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says. أحل لكم ليلة الصيام الرفث إلى نسائكم هن لباس لكم وأنتم لباس لهن علم أنكم كنتم تختانون أنفسكم فتاب عليكم وعفى عنكم فالآن now it's gonna come فالآن باشروهن وابتغوا ما كتب الله لكم now وكلوا واشربوا حتى يتبين لكم الخيط الأبيض من الخيط الأسود من الفجر ثم أتموا الصيام إلى الليل. And I put it for you in red. Eat and drink till you see the white line in between the night and the day, and then don't eat and drink till dawn, and till أتموا الصيام إلى الليل. Continue to eat, not to drink, not to have a relationship till the night comes in, and then this is where the i'tikaf comes in. This is where the i'tikaf comes in. We're going to come to it, but very quickly. Where is the i'tikaf comes in the masjid? That's the ayah. Same ayah. وَلَا تُبَاشِرُهُنَّ وَأَنْتُمْ عَاكِفُونَ فِي الْمَسَاجِدِ. Don't get close to them when you're in a state of i'tikaf in the masjid. And that's why a lot of the scholars tells you i'tikaf is in the masjid. Because that's what Allah said. طيب? Okay. And when do you start the fast? That's a hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. And he says, إن بلالا, this is by narrated by Sayyidah Aisha. إن بلالا يؤذن بليل. Bilal, who is Bilal? Sayyidina Bilal? Mu'adhin Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, the call for the prayer. The Bilal, and he's telling the Sahaba, teaching them. And this is one of the ways when you teach indirectly. إن بلالا يؤذن بليل. Bilal calls for the adhan in the night. فكلوا واشربوا. Eat and drink حتى ينادي ابن أم مكتوم. Eat and drink till the son of Ibn Maktoum. Who's the son of Ibn Maktoum? Huh? Bilal. Exactly. Right? Not al-Maghrib, al-Fajr. كلوا واشربوا حتى ينادي ابن أم مكتوم. Eat and drink till the son of Ibn Maktoum call for the meaning. Till Ibn Maktoum, the son, هذه son. The son of Maktoum pronounced the adhan. Which adhan? Fajr. You look confused. Why? You didn't know Bilal ibn Maktoum? Alhamdulillah, you learned.
So the last name
Ibn Maktoum.
It's not the last name.
I know, but
it's the
No,
name.
it's a kunya.
his mother.
Yeah.
Yes. His kunya in the Arab tradition, up till this day, it's very common you call people with their kunya. Like Abdullah. Muhammad, Abu Muhammad, that's called kunya, right? So Ibn Maktoum, the son of the mother of Maktoum, meaning his brother name?
Maktoum.
Exactly. Okay.
Is he different from Bilal ibn Rabah?
It's the same. Yeah. Ibn Rabah, his father. Yes.
And his mother was Yamama, من الحبشة.
Yeah, Maktoum, the mother of Maktoum.
For my poor knowledge and limited knowledge, it's that guy was Abdullah ibn Maktoum. That's a completely different person.
He didn't say Ibn Abdullah ibn Maktoum. حتى ينادي ابن مكتوم. What did it say? إن بلالا read.
I understand that. I mean, okay, as I said, from my
previous
knowledge,
the mu'adhin,
Bilal would do the adhan, but then the call to stop the food and eat would be a different person to do the call.
You know what? I don't know this. You could be right. We will check it and remind you. Yeah, it could be right. But what I know is this. I could be wrong easily. Who doesn't? طيب? And then when to eat? When do I break the fast? They didn't have iPhone, right? And simple. That's why I really love when we simplify things, and I really don't like when we complicate things. Simple. Look at them. إذا أقبل الليل من ها هنا وأدبر النهار من ها هنا وغربت الشمس فقد أفطر الصائم. Simple. When the night comes from here and the sun comes from here and the sun will set, the person who is fasting go and eat. What does that mean? Read the English one. When night falls from this side meaning night falls, meaning sunset, right? Maghrib. And the day vanish from this side, meaning Maghrib, vanish, right? And the sun sets, Maghrib, then the fasting person will. I don't have a watch. My watch that is not working. Or very common example happened to me last week. You are in the plane, right? When will I pray Fajr? I have no idea where I am. I'm in the middle, on top of the ocean. Open the window, look. And I actually did see al-khayt al-abyad and al-khayt al-aswad. You see it. I actually have a picture of it. I wanted to put it here, but technically, subhanAllah, I wasn't able to. You see it. So when you're traveling, you're going to see the sun becomes, for example, Maghrib. The sun will become red, and it's setting. That's the time of eating. These days, our life is way easy. How many alarms you have in the house? Right? Every room. At 4:47, 4:40, and then the calendar. So we don't have, the reason I share this with you is because people tell me why. Because there's a lot of why these days. Why? Here you are.